Hello my fellows, welcome to our chicken farm. As you can tell, it is night time, so it's dark. Pretty surprising. So we're gonna put our chickens away. As you can see here, this is our little silky chicken. It's a fluffy chicken. Let's put it away for the night and close it up. Oh, and now we have a long, treacherous journey from here. I went from British to Australian. Don't ask me why. Ohio. No break in character. Go this way. Hey, shut up. What I tell you about laughing? Anyway, so back out here. See that? That's a monster. It could attack at any moment. We're gonna walk over here. We're gonna walk over here now. And as we're walking, you will start to notice something. It's a gate. And as you can see, on this long, treacherous journey, that gate, it's gonna attack it in there. I'm not making fun of Australians. Not making fun of Australians. I'm laughing at the fact that they're very, very scary. So, through this warning, if you guys hate adorable things, you're gonna hate this. So, if we walk through onto this side, you'll start to notice something very crazy. There's nothing here. What were you expecting? No, seriously, what were you expecting? There is nothing here. What were you expecting? You guys are stupid. I'm sorry, but you're just pathetic. You're just pathetic. You guys actually thought there was something there? That's pathetic. Very, very pathetic. There's a blood crocodile. There's a giant Chinese African-American polar bear. As you can see, they're white. That's where they get you. They're not actually white at all. You know what they are? They're vicious predators. Vicious. Oh, how vicious you are, predator. See, they can be very friendly. Very friendly. You got to be gentle. Because if they ain't gentle, they will bite you. And if you're not very quiet, they're gonna get you. Anyways, back on. See those? Those are hobstopplers. Don't question their sanity. As you can see, if you get close, they hate you. So, we take a little walk here. Walk over here. And through here. Oh, this is something you will never forget for the rest of your life. More videos coming on this, but come on through, mate. We'll take a walk. A little journey into here. You'll see something really, really cute. As you can see, we have ducks. No special name. Don't even try. And over there, if you can see it, I'm going to be very close. If you can see them back there, you can probably see there are baby ducks back there. They can attack at any moment. They're more dangerous than the males or the adults. Anyways,
why are they attacking me?
Anyways, let's get out here. And that's the end of your tour. If you guys were expecting a 3 a.m. oh my gosh, the chicken turned into a werewolf. No. Stop it. I don't know what you expect from us people. No. Boy, I will shoot you if you even ask.